Are you an influencer and you're making a lot of money from the platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and you have no idea how to report your income? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer some of the questions related to that so you can minimize your taxes. Welcome to Office Hours with Victor Delorme. I'm a CPA, and in today's video, I'm going to be answering some of the questions you guys may have. And if you have any questions, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you.
Do I need to register as a business if I have income from YouTube, TikTok, or Twitch?
The reason you want to register a business is because your lifestyle is a business. All the camera equipment, all the video editing, all that you publish, which is part of your life, it's a business. So you want to register an LLC. And then yes, all the income that you earn from the platforms, it's reportable for tax purposes. It doesn't mean that you're going to be paying a lot of money. You just want to make sure that you structure your life as a business. Then you do your proper tax planning with making sure that you have all the income from all the platforms, and also you have all the expenses associated to the business that you're running. Home office expenses, per diem, camera equipment, computer equipment, different subscriptions for platforms, entertainment, and so forth, right? So for tax purposes, the IRS is going to give you all the codes that you need in order for you to deduct expenses against your income and minimize the taxes that you would be legally paying.
How does tax filing change if I do collaborations with other creators or split earnings?
The basic thing is that you have a joint venture agreement with the collaborator that you're working with. That you have a legal document, preferably put together by an attorney that specializes on collaborations and also on joint ventures. And the reason for that is because you want to make sure that everybody roles and responsibilities outline the capital that's going to be allocated, how profits are going to be split, and also losses, right? Because not every joint venture is going to lead into profits, right? Sometimes you have joint ventures that are losing money. And then in the joint venture agreement or contract agreement, you want to make sure how those are actually split. So just to make it simple, let's assume that the joint venture is a 50-50 split, meaning partner A and partner B are going to be benefiting at a 50% of the profits, but also 50% of the losses. So you guys are doing a collaboration in Twitch or Instagram, and you guys earn $100,000. You guys are going to be splitting that in half. 50% is going to go to partner 1 and 50% is going to go to partner B. Then the 50,000 is going to be reported on each individual's. And when I say individuals, that means each owner's business tax returns is going to be included that $50,000. So the most important thing is that you want to make sure that you have a joint venture agreement or a collaboration agreement. That way, everybody is on the same page.
What happens if I get paid through PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo? Do I still need to report it?
Well, the most important thing is that you have a track record through these platforms on how much money you actually got paid. Like you can sign into the app and see the money that came last week, last month, and last year through the apps, right? And in essence, this is going to be helping you to put together the books and records, the accounting records, for you to have your tax returns prepared. So yes, you have to report the income that came through PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, and all those platforms for business. But the most important thing is that you want to make sure that you have accounting record so you can tally all the income and all the expenses for your business, right? Because then that's going to be the basis in order for you to have a solid tax plan in order for you to minimize your taxes for your social media business.
How do I handle taxes if I receive gifts, free products, or PR packages from brands?
So oftentimes what brands are going to do is they'll give gifts, packages, and any other products to their influencers, but that's like an appreciation token, right? Because they want to make sure that they're solidifying a partnership. But that's different from you actually providing a service and then getting a product in return. So if you get a package or a gift in return for a service or a shout out or a post that you did for the specific brand, the reality is that you would have to account for the fair market value of that gift package in your income for taxes. So oftentimes the rule is that these packages are basically appreciation token from the brands in order for them to solidify the partnership. So then make sure that on the agreement and the joint venture agreement or service agreement that you have with the brand, that they pay you for your post, your shout outs, and the brand promotion, and that the gifts are separate You know, you appreciate the gift, right? Who wouldn't? So make sure that the gifts are for appreciation, and then you're getting money for the actual services that you're providing. And thanks for watching. That's the video for today. And if you have any questions, any comments, you'd like to know more, drop a comment down below. Again, my name is Victor Delorme, and I'll see you in the next one.